Hey you guys, welcome to my channel. It is Frugalista, as they call me on social media, but I also go by Rebecca. Nice to meet you. Anyway, okay, so welcome to my channel. If you just found me scrolling through YouTube, or maybe you were, I don't know, mentioned by some other channel, thank you. Or if you've been around a while, sorry. You just can't help yourself but keep coming back. I know. Let's talk about my sweater because it is shiny. Look at that. Look at that. It's called a tinsel sweater. Can you see? Is it a little scratchy? Yes. Do I have a t-shirt on underneath? Yeah. But I'm like, it's actually not bad. I should wear long sleeves because then I would be a little more comfortable. Long sleeve t-shirt. I'm a little uncomfortable, but I got this from a website called Nasty Gal. This was cheap. This was from Christmas clearance. I don't know if they have any left. I don't know if they're still marked down. If they do, I will link it below. You guys, I'm going to review for you probably, I mean, I didn't even look on YouTube to see if anybody else has reviewed this yet, but I was sent these. It was so kind of them. I've done some I did a video for FRAGRANCENET before, and they have all kinds of makeup and fragrance and skincare brand names, prestige line on sale. Yeah, so I have the new Betsey Johnson makeup line. This was launched in spring. I think it's available maybe at Macy's. I think there might be either Macy's online or maybe Macy's in store. Maybe JCPenney. I'm not sure all the stores that carry it, but it is on fragrancenet.com, so I will list everything below and my discount code. So if anything you like kind of strikes your fancy, then you know where to find it. But I've played with this a little bit, but I haven't really dug deep. So it's gonna be a little bit of a first impression. But I was like, thank you guys so much. So they sent me the entire line and the fragrance. This is called Pretty in Punk. And look how cute this is. I might gift it. It's a warm scent. It has some floral notes to it. It reminds me of the Prada Candy. It's such a cute bottle. I should be like, whoever comments first that they love it, just DM me with your address and I'll send this to you. I've been a fan of Betsey Johnson forever. She is an American fashion designer, super fun, super just eclectic and full of sass, and she always does a cartwheel on the catwalk after her shows. So I think she's great. So let's see here. We have eyeshadow, we have false lashes. I don't know if I'm gonna wear these. I might take this sweater off too. We have a sparkle. This is highlighting sticks. I've got an eyeshadow palette. I've got matte lipsticks, and I've got like a lash something. I have a highlighter. So there's a lot. So let's dig into the, I keep saying dig in, my apologies. This is the eyeshadow palette. Look at that gloriousness. Get the plastic off of that. Look how cute. I'll bring that in for its close-up. Let's look at a shade called Goldie and this shade called Tutu, which is matte. Look at all that already. That's got some good color. These mattes. I'm like, what? I was not expecting that. I was not expecting the mattes to just kind of be so pigmented. It's pretty darn good. Ooh, and then the shimmer is, look at this. Look at this. That was one swipe. I gotta take this sweater off. I can't do it. So much so for the, I just thought this would be so cute for holiday or something fun. I had no idea it would be so itchy. It's kind of itchy. I think I need a long sleeve. Whoa, that feels good. Okay, so you get 1, 2, 3. You get 24 shades. I'm going to create an eye look that I think will just delight us all, right? What should I do? I think I'm gonna do purples. I'm gonna do goodness right there. So let's start with Ella. Is that close enough? There's a mirror. There is a mirror. The price on this is $30, and I think my discount is 30% off. Wow. Ooh, okay, so I did Ella, and then I accidentally dipped my brush in Babe, and it worked perfectly. Holy macaroons. Oh, I did not say this, but it maybe goes without saying. I have my foundation on, and I'm wearing the Amazon foundation again to try it, and I mixed it with the Clinique foundation that I've had for a while. Hey, right? Right? Go in Flirt. Flirt is this shade right here. Is this made in the USA? Made in China. So the pigmentation is pretty darn good. It's spreading, you know what I mean? It's blending. Nothing's patchy yet. Look at me, I have such low expectations because nobody talks about this. I'm like, does anybody else talk about Betsey Johnson makeup? Where did this brush come from? Oh, it's my Morphe brush that you know how everyone complains about Morphe brushes? And I'm like, oh, they're fine for me. I mean, I don't care. Take them or leave them. What just happened? Because I'm like, something's not right with this, because it was just, there was like only a little bit of the brush poking out. And I'm like, I don't remember getting such a short stipple brush. Oh. I don't think that's ever happened to me ever with a brush, ever. And I'm going in Petticoat. Petticoat is this shade right here. And I want to get dark right there. I want dark. Oh, and we got fallout. I'm like, it wasn't happening until now. That's okay. I'm only just kind of whining because I already did my concealer, and I'm like, I just want it perfect. Such a liner. Frisky. I'm using the same brush. It's the color Right Next Door. It's kind of a darker, yeah, I needed more depth. It wasn't enough difference in terms of the color. So I like the, I like it. I'm just gonna keep blending. Very impressed, very impressed. I'm gonna clean up underneath my eyes, and I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid liner and come back for mascara. So all I did was I did add some liquid liner, and I did put the shade Bubbly, which is a little, it's a bit gold and sparkly, and I just kind of threw that on the center and in the inner corner. And now this is their Volume Fiber Mascara, so it's definitely the Too Faced where, you know, it goes mascara, then fibers, then mascara. So let's see. Sometimes this kind of mascara is so problematic. Big and full and bristly. And then here are the fibers. Ooh, it's dryer lint. Guys, yeah, so what I think about the mascara is that the mascara part needs to be wetter. It needs to be more liquidy, thicker to coat the fibers. Like, I mean, I'm making it work, but I really think it's tricky. And now I'm just getting kind of fibers all over the mascara wand. Luminous highlighting stick. These are fun. We have the shade, is that called Sparkle Plenty? It's nice right there. And then the shade is called, oh wait, sorry, they're both called Sparkle Plenty. I guess it's a set, and so this one is, this one's more of your pink, your rose gold, and then that's your bronze. What do we think, people? Kind of cute. What? Okay. 3 nudes. Send me your nudes. Don't send me your nudes. Ooh, and I have red and I have, okay, cool. So these are all nude. Okay, we've got champagne. Oh, they smell like candy. Champagne. Malibu. You guys know how good I am at these. And girlfriend. Don't you wish your girlfriend was hot like me? Okay. Here we go. Champagne Malibu girlfriend. So those are the matte ones. These are the classics. These look like fun. I don't know why I did that. Okay, we have XOXO. I like that. We have Betsey. Oh, of course, we need like her signature red lip. That is cute. Very kind of cherry, bright. And then this one is called Cartwheel. Ah, told ya. I think I might do that one. I'm gonna, you're like, Rebecca, you're not even. I know, I'm gonna put mascara and stuff, but I'm also, you guys, I don't have it in the box. There is a highlighter set that comes with a brush. So there's this, it is Highlighter Powder Compact Instant Glow for more dimension. This is cute. Ooh. So it's very, no, it's different. It's a little icier. It's kind of an icier pink compared to the stick highlighters. I'm even gonna use the brush, you guys. Let's try it. Oh, that's cute. Well, let's see if it's too glittery or chunky, but isn't Betsey kind of, see, this is what's great, is Betsey Johnson is not a spring chicken. Is she in her 50s or her 60s? And this is her color line, and this is the packaging, and it's just, it's fun. It shows you, you can do whatever you want. You can do whatever you want. Do not let age limit you. Oh, and then we have gloss. Oh my God, there's 3. They're duo. And you guys, I had polka dots all over my room in 10th grade. I had polka dot wallpaper. What I did is I found wrapping paper that was polka dot and I put it up on my room like wallpaper. High schoolers. This kind of nude combination of a very opalescent and then you have a very kind of fawn nude gloss. Then you have this hot pink situation. Just so much fun. Oh, this one is kind of dry. Do you see that one right there? It's kind of... Sorry, I don't know the names. I can't read it if they have them. Oh, wow. That feels amazing. That's kind of a mauve, like a sparkly mauve. And then this is a very, just your nice, basic, oh yeah, pink gloss. Super, yeah, light, not sticky at all. So the matte lip color was sticky. It didn't dry down for me, and I put the sweater on because, you know, for the final look. So the matte lip is very, it never dried down completely for me, so it stayed a little bit sticky. So I don't know if that's the case for all the shades. I don't know if over time it will, you know, dry down. The glosses, however, are magic. These are fantastic. So I am wearing actually this gloss over the matte lip shade and it feels great. So, you know, if that's what we have to do. The mascara is bugging me, but I don't know if you can tell. It does give a very dramatic difference in volume and length, but I can't stand that kind of fibery thing. This highlighter is just so cute. Like, do you just see how my face kind of looks shiny and it looks glowing? And then this side looks good too. The powder highlighter is stronger than the stick. I am very impressed with the stick. I never use stick highlighter, but I like this one. The eyeshadows are great. They're great. Holy cow. Right? So all in all, pretty good for Betsey Johnson makeup. Yes. You know, you're shopping around, you want to find something different. I'll list everything below. So I thought, there you go. And thanks guys for sending it to me. Thank you, Betsey Johnson. Thank you, FRAGRANCENET, for sending me the line, and I will put it to good use. I hope you had fun. I will list everything below. If I have a discount code, it will be there. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. And find me on social media. You can follow me on Instagram. I'll post that too. And thank you so much. Okay, bye.